Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah, go.
Whoa! Oh, it's under. It's still going. It's still going.
Spinning in circles.
And it's up. No, it does that when it goes underwater. I don't know why. Look at it bouncing around like a maniac. Nope. Oh, it's under just a little bit. You get all that?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. It's hard to see.
Alright, I'm going to bring it in and check for water. See how much water's in it. Are you going to film that part too?
I guess.
That's a lot of water. Okay, here you go. I'm going to throw it right out there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take some waves way off it. Uh-oh, it's upside down. And it's right side upside down. See those waves right there?
No, I can't see anything.
They're pretty big. Upside down again. And right side up. And then up those waves again. Oh yeah.
I swim and get it.
There's a wave that's coming right through here that I'm jumping off of.
Oh, those are some pretty good jumps right there.
Let's try that again even closer, huh, Marina? Oh, yeah! Ooh, that was a good one. And it'll fill it up with water. Well, the doors are on the shore. Tear the rudder off. Cool about it. That rudder will pop right off, though. And then we wouldn't have the clothes.
Yeah, it's